Dear aspirant, following RBI Grade B exam, the NABARD Grade A exam 2 has made some remarkable changes in its syllabus. The ESI and FM papers will also be descriptive in nature in the second phase of the exam. The descriptive English paper is already descriptive in nature, thus the subjective paper has got more weightage than the objective paper if both phases of the exams are taken into account. Hence friend, keep gaining the descriptive type of knowledge of ESI, FM, ARD to score maximum for final selection. If you are good at these three sections, the essay section of the descriptive English will definitely get covered easily and you will secure better marks in this section as well. Then you need to focus on other sections of the descriptive English separately. Friend, you must bear in mind that the format of the descriptive ESI, FM or ARD answers will be as similar as an essay. As an essay has its proper introduction, the body and the conclusion, the answers to the descriptive ESI, FM or ARD will have also their proper introduction, body and conclusion. Friend, now let us analyze the syllabus of the ESI descriptive paper in detail. Friend, the notification of the NABARD Grade A Phase 2 exam has recommended 11 chapters in totality. The first chapter is the nature of the Indian economy, which may cover the following important questions. Please take down all these questions for better preparation. Otherwise, just have the screenshots in order to have future reference. The first question is, what is the nature of the Indian economy? Is India truly a mixed economy? Okay. The second question reads, what were the structural reform measures taken in 1991 to end the BOP crisis in India, that is to say balance of payment crisis in India? Third question is, discuss in detail the growth and development of the Indian economy after the 1991 economic reforms. Then, what is LPG policy? Is the Indian economy fully globalized at present? Discuss. The fifth question can be prepared as, discuss the trade-off between environment and economic development in the light of India. And then you can also prepare short type questions carrying 10 marks in 300 words. You can prepare on the following questions. The first one is, what were the macroeconomic stabilization measures of 1991? Then you can also prepare on the question, what was Nehruvian socialism and how did it come to an end? You can also prepare on this, what do you mean by liberalization? Write a short note on globalization in context with India. Then, what is privatization? Is privatizing various government units a PM Modi's decision, etc., etc. Friend, you must note that the chapters included in the syllabus are static in nature. However, you are required to prepare dynamic questions on them. Let us take the first chapter, the nature of the Indian economy, which is static in nature. However, dynamic questions that can be prepared on as shed light on the Indian economy after 30 years of economic reforms. Okay. As you know that 30 years have gone by since the economic reforms were introduced in the parliament. Okay. The second question you can make as, is the Indian economy fully globalized? Give your views. Then, is PM Modi's government responsible for privatizing public sector units? Give your views. You can also prepare on the question, is the existing mixed economy of India fast heading towards capitalism? Give your views, etc., etc. Friend, without the basic knowledge of the nature of the Indian economy before the economic reforms in 1991 and after 1991, you won't be able to deal with the dynamic questions easily. So friend, out of the static questions, prepare the possible dynamic questions keeping in mind the present scenario of the Indian economy as a whole. Well, hope friend, this video session will benefit you a lot in framing static and dynamic questions on different recommended chapters of ESI. In the next video lecture, we will frame static and dynamic questions on the second chapter of ESI. Please stay connected with us. Bankviz provides you with model answers to such questions. Visit www.bankviz.com and attempt a free ESI, FM and descriptive mocks with evaluation from our experts for trial. The links have been provided in the description box. Different course packages for NABARD Grade A exam, RBI Grade B and exam and others are also available on our website. Wish you all the best. Thank you.